Hey yo, this is your captain speaking, and today I'm going to be testing out our brand new Dragan Cruiser Black Edition. I'm going on a little cruise around town and I thought I might as well take you guys with me. Sun is just setting, so I'm going to try and make it up to one of my favourite spots in London, Primrose Hill, to have a little cruise down that. But first of all, when you're going to go downhill, you're going to have to get up the hill first. So, beauty of streetboards is that you can ride uphill without ever taking your feet off the board. So all your upper body that does the movement and the power, no batteries, you just use your upper body to power up hills. Means you have a great workout at the same time. Don't know if you can see how steep this is, but it's fairly steep. Let's see how I get on. So the Dragan Cruiser, it comes with these built-in tow hooks, which we've custom designed so that, number one, they help you learn the unique movement. Number two, you can pop up and down curves, over obstacles, and you can actually pop pretty high on them. And they're unique compared to anything else on the market. So they're really there to get you going on your Dragan Cruiser. Now, the other week I did a reel on my Dragan Cruiser Red Edition, and Sergi Nicholas had a go at me for doing too many speed checks on the way down. So let's see if I can make it without any speed checks. But this is really where you start to feel it like a snowboard. Sorry Sergi, I had to speed check. There's a little doggy there. Pop! So just very quickly, if you've never really seen a street board before and you're not sure how it should move, I'll quickly show you. It's super simple. It's two easy movements. What you need to do is, it's toes together, toes apart. Then the power is actually with your upper body. So when you put your toes together, you go like you're unbuckling a seatbelt, and as you open your toes, you throw your weight towards your heel side. And then toes together, throw your weight back towards your toe side. So it's this undulating movement. Just while I think about it, the question we get asked the most after how do you move is how do you stop? There's a few ways to do it, but my favorite is the power slide. Pretty easy. You've got to have a bit of speed, and then you just open up your back foot, slide it round to close to 90 degrees and snap your back foot shut. Let's give it a go. There you go. So I've just remembered. So myself and Steph, who designed the tow hooks, the trucks, the boards, pretty much designed most of the Dragan items. Grew up around this area, beautiful area, London, Primrose Hill. And I just remembered, I think there's a little spot around the corner that we used to hit when I first started streetboarding, way back when. I wonder if there's anything I can do on the cruiser in it. Let's have a look. Not having much luck with this one. Right, because I'm running so late, I'm going to have to jump on the tube. Great thing with the Cruiser is, it's so compact. You can just easily jump on and off, pick it up, jump on public transport. Really is the perfect last mile solution. So, down in central London, busy Oxford Circus. Gonna cruise down, we're gonna link up with Steph who already mentioned, designed this baby, and Uncle CD, who played live at the 2005 Streetball World Championships and also wrote and performed the intro to Dragon Cast. Got Steph, Uncle CD. What's the lyrics to the Dragon Cast?
Oh, Streetboarding Dreams. Streetboarding Dreams.
Future and past.
Here in the present, it's Dragon Cast.
Yeah. That's my first ride on the Dragan Cruiser Black Edition. Hey, what's up? Next up is the Red Edition or the Black Edition Faster.